Question number 15. Now we're getting really serious about this. We have a ball that is thrown at a cliff. The cliff has a certain height which we do not know, and we need to find that height. We do know that we start from the ground and the speed is 30 meters per second, 60 the ground. Then I know that it takes 4 seconds. Now, here's the thing. I don't know just off the top of my head, is it going to be like this or is it still going to be on the way up? Like here or here? Who knows? So horizontally, I have Vx, which is 30 cosine of 60. And for those of you trig buffs, you know that it's 1/2, right? You do know. 15 meters per second is your Vx. Vertically, sine of 60 root of 3 over 2. So Vy, again, initial. Remember, it changes. We end up with 15 roots of 3, which, 30 sine of 60. I would take points off for myself. 15 roots of 3 meters per second is our vertical initial velocity, which will change. What else do I know? 4 seconds. Technically, it goes everywhere. So I know that change in x is Vx times change in t. Do I want to know where it is? So I'm going to use the time in the vertical displacement, because what do we have for the first question is how high is this cliff? Change in y, you literally take that formula, V initial, remember it's V initial y. It's not 30, it's the 15 roots of 3. It's the vertical initial component times your time, which is 4 seconds, minus 4.9, that time squared. So you take change in y will equal 15 roots of 3 times your 4 minus 4.9 times 16. I got 25.5 meters. So about 26. Then what was the maximum height of the ball? Not where it is, but what was the maximum height? That's even easier. Remember, V final squared equals V initial squared. And obviously, I'm writing it in the vertical department, so I'm not going to use 15 or 30. I'm going to use 15 roots of 3 plus technically 2g change in y. So then when I rearrange, I get my change in y to be 225 times 3, which is my 15 roots of 3 squared over 19.6, which is 2g's, 34.4 meters. So that's the highest, the maximum height of the ball. And then what is the ball's impact speed? Well, impact speed means that what velocity does it hit? If it's here, then it looks like that. And vertical, if it's here, then it looks like that. So either way, I need to figure out my Vy at that particular moment. The easiest way to do this would be to remember that G equals V final minus V initial over time. Time is given to us to be 4 seconds. V initial is 15 roots of 3. So you take your V final equals 15 roots of 3 and you subtract 9.8 times 4. Get negative 13.2. Ooh, so it's on the way down. That's the picture here. We're after this, and they don't even need the angle. They just need the speed. So you're going to do the root of 15 squared, which is 225 plus 13.2 squared. So we got 225 plus 13.2 squared, 20 meters per second. There you go. That is the answer to 50. You're welcome.